I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of the Garden Gate. Now's the time to get out into your garden, do a little bit of weeding now that everything's been planted and is starting to grow. So we have a few new tools I wanted to show you about, or some tools, not all of them are new. This is our telesco weeder, and you buy just the head of this now and put it on a broom handle. So it's a little less expensive than it used to be. It's a Canadian-made tool, which is great, and it's the big brother, big sister to the Garden Bandit. Again, a great tool. I covered it a few years ago on the Garden Gate when I visited one of the community gardens and we were testing out those tools. We ship those all over North America. I've even shipped some to Australia. The telesco weeder, it's great for working in the garden and getting at the weeds between the rows, and you don't have to bend down, which is great. A few other cool tools. This is a little bit of an ergonomic rake, and these rakes are really fun because you can get in around your plants, under your shrubs, and they work really well to clean up just a little bit of debris without damaging your plants. There's an ergonomic little shovel as well. There's a little one that has a ridge on the edge of it, which is great for kind of digging and scooping and cutting things. These heat guards are also really great for when it gets really hot in July and August. You just soak them in water. That's what these are here. You soak them in water, they swell up, you wear them around your neck. We even have them for dogs. So lots of options, kneeler seats, all kinds of really great things to help you make your gardening a little bit easier. Thanks for joining me on the Garden Gate. We'll see you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.